Okay, for number 5, just writing the coefficients down, it's very symmetric. Let's put this down. 24 minus 10 minus 77 minus 10, 24. So again, you see symmetry here. 24, 24, minus 10, minus 10, and this guy's in the center here. So what are we going to do over here? Well, rational root theorem, things like that. But right now, I think it's somewhat obvious that 2 would be a solution to this problem over here. Let's write that down. So I'm going to write 2 down for a solution. I'm going to say x is 2. Now, by the way, when I say something's obvious, it isn't obvious until I actually verify that it's obvious. So it's going to be 24. And 2 to the 4th power is going to be 16. Minus 10 times 8. Minus 77 times 4. Minus 10 times 2. Plus 24. Well, let's take a look. Let's make sure that's equal to 0. And the way I'm going to do that, something a little bit strange. Most people would say strange anyway. I'm going to factor out an 8. I'm going to factor out a 16. You get 24 minus 5. And for the last 3 terms, I'm going to factor out a 4. 77 minus 5, plus 5, sorry. And factor out minus 4 would be minus 6. Let's see, you can get 16 times 19, and you're going to get minus 4. Let's take a look at this. 77, 76, right? All right, I think I can do something here. I can think 16 times 9. I don't want to do that, actually. Minus 16. And I borrowed 4 from 76, and that would be 19, right? Yeah, it's equal to 0. Okay, here's the issue now. If x equals 2 as a root, its reciprocal is a root. Let's write that down. So I know another root. The other root is x equals 1/2. It's reciprocal. Well, let's write this down now. I got 2 factors now. I got x minus 2, and I have 2x minus 1, and then I got a quadratic, a remaining quadratic. And what's that going to be? That's going to be 12x squared and then you're going to get 12 here. What I don't know is I don't know the middle. Again, if you want to do it by long division, you can. I want to figure out the b, though. So I'll write this a little differently. 2x squared minus x minus 4x is minus 5x plus 2 times 12x squared plus bx plus 12, and that equals 0. Well, you certainly get 24x4 in the beginning, and you certainly get 24 in the end. What I'm going to try to do is equate coefficients, but I don't want to do too much work. So I'm going to say minus 10x cubed. Well, what would that equal? That would equal 2bx cubed minus 60x cubed and I think you can figure it out now. So minus 10 equals 2b minus 60. 50 equals 2b, where b is 25. All right. Let's see if we met that milestone. 12x squared plus 25x plus 12. Oh, it's up there, I'm sorry. Yep, I got that. Now what I gotta do is factor that. And write that down over here. 12x squared plus 25x plus 12. Very symmetric. 4x, 3x, 4, 3, plus, that does work because you do get 12x squared, 16 and 9 is 25, and you get 12. And we're going to get reciprocals again. So what do you get over here? Minus 3/4. What's the other one going to be? X equals minus 4/3. So I'm saying reciprocals. Again, we found 2.5, minus 4/3, and minus 3/4. All right? Notice the reciprocal nature of those. Thank you. Oh, I mentioned my name again. Email address, Bannon. B as in boy, the @ symbol, nnon.us. Thank you.